Let's talk more about Hibiclens. This might be something that your plastic surgeon would tell you to bathe with either the night before or 2 nights before your plastic surgery procedure. My name's Kathleen Listen. I'm a certified lymphedema therapist, board certified massage therapist. I'm practicing here in San Diego, California, and I use manual lymphatic drainage and other techniques to help reduce swelling after plastic surgery, including liposuction, Brazilian butt lifts, facelifts, and tummy tucks. So this is Hibiclens. If your doctor asks you to get it, your physician might give you a bottle. You can also buy this online on Amazon. And it's a antiseptic solution, antimicrobial skin cleanser. So this might be a good idea to wash with this your entire body, all the surface of your body before your surgery. But there is one thing I want to mention that it does say on the back that might be important for you. So it does say that this chlorhexidine gluconate skin cleanser does cause stains, and if you get some on your clothes, you have to do something very special. Don't just throw them in the washing machine with your regular detergent, because if your regular detergent has chlorine releasing products, it will interact with the Hibiclens, and that will be bad news for whatever clothes you had on. So ideally you shouldn't spill it on anything, but if you do spill it on something, rinse completely and use a non-chlorine detergent to wash the clothes if you've spilled any Hibiclens on it. So again, this is a antimicrobial, antiseptic skin cleanser that you might use the night before your surgery. Have a great day.